I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make fudge cupcakes using an easy method. First, let's get organized. Before you start, make sure you have all your ingredients measured and ready to go. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 175 degrees Celsius. Then, line a standard 12-cup muffin tin with paper liners. This simple preparation ensures a smooth baking process and makes cleanup a breeze. You'll be enjoying delicious cupcakes in no time. Now let's get to mixing. In a large bowl, combine your dry ingredients: 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 3/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. In a separate bowl, whisk together 2 large eggs, 1 cup of milk, 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Gently add the wet mixture to the dry, stirring until just combined. Remember, a few small lumps are okay. Overmixing can lead to tough cupcakes. It's time to bake our delicious fudge cupcakes. Carefully spoon the batter into each prepared cupcake liner, filling them about 2/3 full. This ensures they rise beautifully without overflowing. Place the muffin tin into your preheated oven and bake for approximately 18 to 22 minutes. You'll know they are done when a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Let them cool in the tin for 5 minutes, then transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. Patience is key for perfect frosting. Finally, the fun part: frosting and decorating. While your cupcakes are cooling, prepare your favorite fudge frosting or a rich chocolate buttercream. Once the cupcakes are completely cool to the touch, pipe or spread a generous amount of frosting onto each one. Get creative with your decorations. You can add chocolate shavings, colorful sprinkles, or even a maraschino cherry on top for a classic touch. These easy fudge cupcakes are now ready to be enjoyed and shared with friends and family. Happy baking!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.